Do you want to make a difference in the world? If so, I can help. Hello, I'm Roger Killen. In 2013, I produced the first TEDx Stanley Park event. Since then, I've spent over 10,000 hours supporting experts make a difference in the world with their fresh ideas. This experience has convinced me that the likelihood of an idea flying or dying is strongly influenced by 4 drivers. These are the idea itself, your ability to reach audiences, your ability to impact audiences, and your resources. Let's examine the second of these drivers, your ability to reach audiences. You must be able to reach a large number of the right people in order to give your idea the exposure it needs to inspire influencers, activate early adopters, and launch a grassroots movement. Your reach is determined by 8 factors. I call these extenders. They form a checklist to help you assess if your reach is adequate or needs more work. The first reach extender is your access to live stages from which to share your idea. As a difference maker, every chance you get to publicly describe your idea and inspire and activate a live audience is precious. You must take full advantage of each of these rare opportunities. From a live stage, you can transform passive listeners into inspired and activated collaborators. From a live stage, you can stir excitement and change the mindset of an audience. From a live stage, you can make a high-quality recording of your talk. At this point, I need to declare a conflict of interest. My company, Get Inspired Talks, provides opportunities for difference makers to take the stage and describe their idea to large live audiences. For further information, you go to the URL you see on the slide and contact me if you'd like to apply to speak at the Get Inspired Talks event. This takes place on October the 19th, 2019 in Vancouver's Playhouse Theatre. Now let's get back to our extenders. The second extender is a high-quality video of you describing your idea. This video can be viewed anywhere and anytime on a multitude of devices. This video makes your idea accessible to an enormous number of people. This segues nicely into the third extender, YouTube. YouTube is the world's second largest search engine and third most visited website after Google and Facebook. People watch over 1 billion hours of YouTube videos a day, more than Netflix and Facebook videos combined. 1.8 billion people use YouTube every month. You can navigate YouTube in 80 different languages. YouTube has launched in 91 countries. After your idea is recorded, a title, custom thumbnail, and description must be added. These need to be designed to optimize discoverability by YouTube's search engine. With high discoverability, your idea has a realistic chance of being viewed by several million people. And when this happens, you can bet that action will happen. But getting millions of video views doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of a sustained marketing effort by somebody who knows what they're doing. Ideally, that someone is you. If you don't have this skill and you don't hire somebody who has, your video views could well fall below 1,000. Unfortunately, I have seen this happen all too often. You can take this to another level by launching your own YouTube channel. Done right, your channel can make you into a household name and a social media influencer. When you become a successful YouTuber, you'll touch the lives of millions and create authority, influence, impact, respect, reach, and profit. Imagine what these can do for your idea and your difference-making ambitions. There are situations like driving or running when people cannot watch a video. Often they turn to the fourth reach extender, a podcast. Around 100 million podcast episodes are listened to every month. There are around 700,000 podcasts in the world. You can be interviewed by somebody else on their podcast, or you can launch your own podcast and build a follower base around your idea. The fifth reach extender is writing impactfully. You can harness the power of many forms of writing, including blogs, newsletters, ebooks, and printed books. Being a published author, and ideally a best-selling published author, adds to your credibility, builds your list, and gives you a new revenue stream: book sales. The sixth reach extender is your email list and your ability to grow it. Despite the proliferation of social media channels, email remains the single most powerful way of communicating with masses of people online. Your efforts at communicating with your list members is helped by any number of marketing automation platforms and email marketing services. The seventh reach extender is your social media presence. More than 1 billion people are active on Facebook and Instagram. LinkedIn has 500 million users. Twitter has nearly 300 million users. What's not to love about the reach of social media? The eighth and final extender is your ability to harness the power of traditional media, TV, radio, and print, to reach their viewers, listeners, and subscribers. This requires that you develop media relations and public relations skills. This completes my thoughts on the 8 reach extenders that will powerfully influence the likelihood of your idea making the difference in the world that you want it to make. In the next video, I'm going to examine the third of the 4 drivers, your ability to impact those audiences that you do reach. But now, 3 action steps, please. First, share this video with people in your life who have an idea that could help humanity, but they're not sharing it. How sad is that? Second, in the comments section below, describe other factors that drive your ability to reach audiences. Third, if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please do so and click the notification bell so you'll be informed when I upload the next video. Until then, Roger and out.